Everything you know about ranking on page 1 is officially dead. While you've been perfecting keywords, autonomous agents have begun bypassing your landing pages entirely to harvest raw data. The traditional search funnel has collapsed, and if your content isn't built for machine logic, you are becoming invisible to the new internet. We are entering the era of Agentic Search, where AI agents execute tasks instead of just providing links. This shift from index-based ranking to automated execution means standard SEO is now obsolete. To survive 2026, you must bridge the horizon gap between human intent and machine-readable data architectures before the algorithm leaves you behind. Is your organic traffic plummeting despite following every SEO rule? It's because the search engine is no longer a librarian. It's an autonomous operator that ignores keyword-stuffed fluff. You need to dismantle your old strategy and prioritize high-density information that satisfies agentic logic. Stop optimizing for clicks and start optimizing for execution.